So this is actually another form of differentiation, and this one they actually told us what to do. Yes, they told us what to do. The question says differentiate by applying sum and difference formula. So this one actually told you the formula you use and solve this. Let's say sum and difference formula is just like this. Let's say y is equal to AU plus BV. Yes, this is sum and difference formula. And here the A and the B, they are constants. A and B are constants. While U and V are functions of X. Yeah, they are functions of X. We'll apply that, you get to see how it works. So with our question down here, y is equal to 4x squared minus 2x. So we'll say our u is x raised to power 2, while our v is x, this and this, with this formula, which our a here is 4 and our b here is minus 2. Remember, a and b are constants, while u and v are functions of x. So let's apply the formula. dy over dx is equal to a, which is this, we'll say on brackets, we'll differentiate it with, since they are functions of x, we'll say du over ds, differentiating with respect of x, we'll say plus b, and we'll say dv over dx. Remember, in this formula we need to get our a, we'll solve it separately, our du dx, our b and our dv dx. Those are separate solvings on its own. So we'll get that separately. So here we can say our a, which is this, is 4, while our b, which is this, is minus 2. Don't forget the sign. The signs are very important. Is minus 2. Then we'll say our u is equal to, our u is x squared, which is equal to, let's solve this is our u, the u dx. We'll say du over dx is equal to, remember differentiation, when you have something like this, for you to differentiate, you times this, you say 2 times 4, then you bring down x squared minus 1. Remember normal differentiation. So we'll apply that here. If we apply that here, we'll have, remember this x squared, there is an invisible one by the side. So we'll say on bracket 1 times 2 close brackets x squared minus 1. So we'll say du over the x will be equal to, if we say 2 times 1 will give us 2, we'll have 2, we'll say x raised to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 now is 1. Instead of writing x raised to the power 1, it's just x. Now we'll say x, that means we'll have 2x. Our u is 2x. So we'll have our v, which is equal to x. Then we also apply our dv over the s, which is equal to, remember now as x, there's an invisible one here, and it's also 1, which is 1. So, but they will not put 1 now because it's just x. So we'll say on bracket 1 times 1, close bracket, x 1 minus 1. That will give us what? So we have here 1 times 1 is 1. We'll say dv over the x is equal to 1. X, but 1 now, we don't need to write the 1, we'll just write x. X, 1 minus 1 is 0. We'll say 0. And remember, anything power 0 is just 1. So that means our dv dx is equal to 1. So now we'll say dy dx is equal to a. So no need to apply this formula again. What is our a? Our a is 4 on bracket. What is our s square, which is the u dx? Our u is what? 2x plus minus 2, and our x is what? What's it called? Our dv is what? Our dv is 1. This minus 2 is our b. Our b is minus 2. Then our dv is 1. We are making use of this formula here. 4 times 2 give us 8x. Yes. 8x minus 2 times 1 will give us minus 2. And that's our final answer. Please, depending on where you're watching us from, YouTube, Facebook, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow, like, share our page on Facebook. Recommend if possible. Please, your observation, your correction is very, very important to us on Facebook. Just drop there on the comment section so that we know where we are doing better and where we need to improve on. Thank you. God bless.